Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. This morning I'm going to do a video, a review, I guess unboxing and see how it works. I have a gimbal for a GoPro. This is actually called the Vimble with a V. Vimble 2A 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal for GoPros or other action cameras that would be the same size as a GoPro. But it's by FeiyuTech. Of course, you can control the camera by Wi-Fi with the app, download the app, and then you can turn the camera obviously in portrait mode or normal, and then built-in extension pole, so it extends out. You can see on the picture it extends out kind of like a selfie stick, which is pretty cool if you want to do like selfie videos when you're walking or something. You can extend it out. So let's go ahead and open the box. Then it comes in a nice case. Instruction booklet. Nice padded case anyway. And there is the gimbal, or Vimble. Okay, it also comes with a stand. It's one of those kind you just fold out. Screw it on the bottom of the handle. And you got a stand. How cool is that? Charging cable. And, oh, okay, that's just a, whatever you call it, little strap. Okay. It's a different, it's a mounting plate for GoPro Hero 8. That's what that is. Which mine's a GoPro Hero 7. Let me get it. So I probably won't need this. There's my GoPro Hero 7. And I'm sure I will need to take it out of this case. And then it looks like it latches in kind of like your GoPro style buckle. So that means this would go like this. Pull the screen. Hopefully you can see this on, if I got it here, that would go like this. Pull the screen like that. Your lens, I mean. Lock it in. And there you go. There is a lock here that locks it in position for when you're moving it around, if you want it locked or if you're hauling it. So you want to make sure that's unlocked, and there's another lock right here. So there's one here and one here that unlocks this thing so it'll be free to move. Took me a minute to figure out, because I haven't used this yet, so I don't know how to operate it. But there we go. Yeah. So now I'm going to adjust it. Turn it around here. I'm going to record away from me. Like so. And now I can do that, or I can turn it around to do selfie. It's got a record button on here. Of course you got to have the app so you can connect it to the Wi-Fi to this to do recording on it. Okay, the app you're going to download is FeiyuTech. Download the app, open it up. I've already got this actually set up on my camera now. So, because I had to kind of figure out how you do it, but it's not nothing to it, just connect it to your camera. It's on auto connect right there. So then we need to turn on the Vimble. And it should find it. You can see it's searching here. There, it found it because when it took control, it found it now, so we should be able to control it. Yeah, see, we can control it here with the app. I can move it up and down with the app. Okay, so we can actually pan right, pan left. This here will tilt it if we're not what we think is level. If you want your handle even, say you want your handle at an angle for some reason, then you can tilt it where your camera is level. And then we have the one to start recording, stop recording. So now you can tell I started it, but I stopped. So if I push this, now you can hear my camera beep. My GoPro, that means I'm starting recording. Level it back up here. Push stop. We can also turn it around to do portrait. Okay, so that was just a short video showing the unboxing and how the Vimble works. It actually works really smooth. And then of course we can extend it out too. You can see here, we can extend the handle out. It looks like it extends out probably a foot, I would say, from here to here. Be pretty close to a foot. So you can have the thing totally away from you if you want to do portraits or selfies or whatever you want to call it. But how cool is that? Takes some getting used to figure out how to run it. I've not practiced with it a lot, so we're going to make some other videos later, but just to show you the unboxing, charger cord, you can see USB, that's where you can plug this thing in to charge it. You can also, right here's where you plug in to charge up, open that up. So you can charge this thing up, because you will need to charge it. And it just plugs into USB in the other end. And like I said, you can use it on the stand too, which is pretty cool. So it is definitely really smooth, and you can see when I tilt how it stays on the window frame there. We probably can't see the window frame in there. But I will do some more videos of the video of the camera in a later video. I just want to do the unboxing and show you how smooth it works, because it does work extremely smooth. And how you can stop recording from here instead of having to reach up there and grab a hold of the camera to do it. So that's really cool. We got the tilt, so we can tilt it. Very nice. Very nice. I'll post a link below in the description where you can pick this up. They got these where I got it, Amazon, but you can pick these up on Amazon. So I'm gonna have to play around with it for a while, get used to it, then I can actually make a full video showing the features and functions a lot better than I can right now. So this is the Vimble 2A from FeiyuTech. Go check it out. Thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one. Right on.